Do you want to be able to speak and write a more dynamic way in English? Do you want to be able to enjoy literature, movies, and television in English? Well, the key to all of that is to expand your vocabulary. So, the theme of this lesson is body movements. So, today I am going to show you and introduce you to different words connected to body movements. So, let's get started, students. So, today I am going to discuss the body movements one by one. Here is the first one on the screen. And this body movement is related to eyes. And this movement is called blink, जिसको हम पलक झपकाना कहते हैं हिंदी में. We will call it blink in English. When you close both eyes quickly, often if the light is too bright. For example, he took off his glasses and blinked in the strong sunlight, right? कि उसने अपनी पलकें झपकाई, that he blinked. The next one on this list is, yes, what do you think from the small video? This movement is called swallow in English. जब निगलना होता है, this word is very commonly used in our daily life. We will call it swallow in English. To make something like food to go down your throat. For example, drink some water to help you swallow the aspirin. Right? कि कुछ पानी ले लो जिससे आप निगल सको. The next one in this list is sip. Sip करना, it means घूंट भरना. ठीक है? So it means to drink very small amounts at a time. So एक घूंट में हम बहुत थोड़ा quantity लेते हैं inside. He sipped his coffee as it was very hot. उसने अपनी कॉफी की सिप ली, एक घूंट ली, because वो बहुत गर्म थी, इसने थोड़ा करके इसको पिए. So moving to the next one in the list, and that is hum. Hum का मतलब होता है गुनगुनाना. So to hum means कि आप गुनगुना रहे हैं. So basically it means to sing but without the words, with your mouth closed, कि मुंह बंद करके जब आप गुनगुनाते हो. He hummed a little song as he drove to work. जैसे वो काम के लिए जा रहा था तो वो एक गाना गुनगुना रहा था, right? The next one you're having here on the screen is the body movement related to hand, and it is wave. Wave का मतलब होता है लहराना. When you move your hand or hands in the air to attract attention or to say goodbye. Bye बोलने के लिए जब हम अपने हाथ को लहराते हैं उसको waving कहते हैं. For example, I'm over here, she cried as she waved her hand in the air. The next one on the screen, yes, this is the moment we called tickle. गुदगुदी करना है ना, या गुदगुदी होना, it means tickle होना या फिर tickling you can call it. So it's lightly touch someone to make them laugh because their skin is sensitive. For example, she tickled the baby's feet, कि उसने बच्चे की जो feet है उसका पैर है उसको गुदगुदाया. Got it? Now let's move to the next word in the list. And the word here is pat. ये जो movement आप देख रहे हो उसको pat करना कहते हैं. It means कि थपथपाना. So pat means to touch someone or something lightly with your open hand, कि अपने हाथ के साथ किसी को touch करना. She patted the child gently on his arm and told him not to worry. ठीक है, कि वो चिंता ना करे, उसने ऐसा pat किया, as you can see here in this video. Time to move to the next one, and the next one, yes, you are guessing it right, it is slap. Slap का मतलब होता है थप्पड़ मारना. To use your hand to hit something or someone. For example, he slapped at the mosquitoes, right? Now let's move to the next one. And the next body movement we are having is related to hands. It is rip. Rip का मतलब होता है चीरना. To tear something using both hands. He read the letter then ripped it up. कि उसने letter को फाड़ दिया. ठीक है, उसने पढ़ा और फाड़ दिया, right? So you can use it with anything when you use both your hands to tear it. Now let's move to the next one on the list, and the next one, what do you think this baby is doing? He is scratching. Scratching का मतलब होता है खरोचना, ठीक है, to use your nails on something, अपने nails के साथ scratch करना. He scratched the insect bite on his arm. So